Good morning. It's Monday, week 10 of the half marathon training cycle, and um, I'm wearing that PF sleeve that the doctor had recommended, and I'm in my 5th kilometer right now, and except for slight discomfort, I don't really have that shooting pain that runs from the bottom of the foot till the knee. So good sign, good sign. So I managed an easy pace 10-kilometer run. I wouldn't say like the leg is completely fine, obviously it's not, but this sleeve, this sleeve that I'm wearing, this sleeve stops the pain from coming up. So there's like discomfort in the plantar fasciitis region, the plantar fascia region, but it's manageable. Like, I had discomfort, but I didn't have like hardcore pain, and I didn't have to stop for my run like before. So still quite a positive sign, you know. Like, it's quite, I think I can continue training, maybe not like hardcore effort sessions, but at least I can keep my fitness by keeping like a base 10-kilometer distance all the time. So yeah, positive day. Not keeping my hopes up, but happy that I could run at least 10 kilometers. So yeah, a good morning for me at least. Good morning. It's Tuesday, and I had 3-kilometer repeats today. I mean, I went ahead with it. I finished like 2 sets. I had 3 kilometers into 3. I still managed to do my sets, but I realized something really important. And this entire couple of weeks, or at least a week, I've been training with a lot of discomfort and pain. I can sort of live with this pain and discomfort and push on, but I mean, if I continue doing what I'm doing right now, there are 2 main things that I'm worried about. One, I can get seriously injured if I keep going on. Like today while running, I felt this slight pain in my right leg, and that suddenly made me realize that, man, my right side is probably compensating a lot for my left injured side. So I should probably, I mean, I kept thinking about the fact that maybe I can seriously injure myself. I can probably injure my left side a lot more than what it is right now. And secondly, which is probably the most important bit, is that, I mean, if I keep doing this, keep running with the discomfort and pain, I'm gonna probably kill the love for running that I have, and I want to enjoy myself. You know, I spoke about that bounce that I had while running the easy runs. Nothing right now. I'm just like suffering and trying to finish my workouts, and it's not really worth it, you know. Why am I doing this? I can easily let my body heal. I can take my time. I can do strength training at home while my legs heal, and I can continue with my training. So I just feel what I'm doing right now is kind of stupid, and I just need to talk to the team and tell them what I'm doing is what I'm feeling right now. I think what I thought about today is the perfect decision. I think it's the absolutely correct decision, and I am not gonna train like this, and I'm not upset about it. I feel like what I'm thinking right now is what I should have thought like a week ago, and I should have let my body heal, because I could have started the healing process then. I'm just like trying to push on, you know, like just ignore the pain, which is not really the most smart thing to do, you know, because I'm not like, I don't do this for a living. I do this because I love doing it, and by pushing myself, or by constantly making myself go through pain, waking up early in the morning and putting myself through this, I'm gonna kill my love for running, and that's something that I'm not willing to risk right now. So yeah, training is definitely, at least running training is definitely over for now, and I'm gonna concentrate on strength and get back to it soon.